Using Betterment for investing is straightforward and user-friendly. Here's how to get started. Sign up. Visit Betterment and create an account by providing your email, creating a password, and answering a few questions about your investment goals and risk tolerance. Complete your profile. Fill out your financial profile, including your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Betterment uses this information to recommend a personalized portfolio. Fund your account. Link your bank account to Betterment and transfer funds. You can set up one-time or recurring deposits to regularly contribute to your investment account. Review your portfolio. Betterment will automatically allocate your funds into a diversified portfolio or ETFs based on your risk profile. The platform uses algorithms to maintain optimal asset allocation. Monitor and adjust. Use Betterment's dashboard to track your investment performance. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio and reinvests dividends to keep your investments aligned with your goals. Seek financial advice. Betterment offers access to financial advisors for personalized advice if you need additional support.